I'm gonna take this time to thank AM Off-Road for sponsoring this video, sending out this front grille for the F-150. It was pretty good, I like it. I wanna thank them for sponsoring the video, sending this grill out to us to install. So car repairs to car garage. Today we are installing this front grille that I got from AM Off-Road when they installed on this 2018 Ford F-150. Yeah, I like that, I'm not gonna lie. Pretty fire. Alright, so we're gonna figure this wiring out, man. These are pretty obvious. Boom. It's gonna hook up just like how the old ones hook up. Just kind of give it some more room out of there. Figure that out once we get everything else situated. Alright, so comes with some wires. Got these ones plugged up already. Figure out the lighting for these light bars on the side. So I'm using a 7mm to take these out. Just pop that out of place like that, and you'll see that plastic connector. Remove that. Remove these two 8mm bolts that keep the grill held up to the car, or the truck rather. Go ahead and remove the entire assembly as one. Comes off just like that. You're gonna want to push these tabs inwards, these metal tabs here, just like this here. Just push against it and they'll slip in that gap right there. Go ahead and remove this bolt from the middle of the grill. Want to remove these 3 bolts so you can take off your Ford emblem. So the 10mm. Installed on the shroud. So go ahead and remove the headlights so I can tap into the turn signal wire. I won't be showing that part of the video because I already have a video on how to remove the headlights and get that yellow wire tapped into the wiring for the turn signal so we can activate the light bar that's on this grill that we're doing here. The ending of the yellow wire is going to get tapped into this blue and gray wire on the turn signal. That's how we're gonna run this wire, put some electric tape on it once I'm finished, and that'll be it. So the yellow wire, I have it wrapped into the, kind of wrapped around that blue and gray wire that comes out the turn signal. I had to kind of do my best, so I just cut a section of that blue and gray wire out and wrapped the coils from the yellow wire around it. So that's how it came out. That's the finish of it. I'm trying to get a focus here. So that's how it came out. And the two black and red wires that come off of the power kind of supply box over there, right here. Those two black and red wire. That's gonna be you're gonna receive power to the headlights once you wire these black ground wire onto the negative battery cable, and I'm gonna run the red wire to the headlight fuse inside the fuse box. This fuse right here, that 7.5 amp fuse right next to those 310s. We're gonna put that wire right under that, and that's gonna give us our headlight control for these light bars on the front. And here's how it'll look once it's wired up. So that's how it's gonna look once it's all wired up. All right, guys, so here's the setup. We have the yellow wire running to the blue and gray wire coming to the turn signal. Okay. We have the black and red wire coming off of the 3 lights in the front. Those 3 balls in the front. We have the black wire running to the ground on the daytime running light, and we have the red wire running to the hot side on the daytime running light. The hot side is your green wire with the orange trace, and the ground wire is the black wire with the yellow trace. And that's how we have our 3 lights wired up. Those work. I already tested them, I already ran them, they work. Let's go. All right, so that concludes this install. We're gonna go ahead and just figure out where to route these wires and put all the clips back where they belong. But that's how you install this AM off-road front grille on the 2018 Ford F-150. It has the white light mode, and it has also the orange light mode when the car is turned off. So yeah, again, thank you guys for sending that grille to us over here at Slow Car Garage.